In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view journal entries in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process, perfect for keeping track of your financial data, ensuring everything is accurately recorded, and is crucial for reviewing entries made by you or your team. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to access QuickBooks Online. Start by heading over to the sign in page and clicking on the sign in button. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to choose your QuickBooks product. Since we're working with QuickBooks Online, select the option that says QuickBooks Online. With that selected, you'll be directed to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password, then hit Continue. It's important to ensure your login details are correct to avoid being locked out, so double check for typos before proceeding. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard. Navigate over to the Reports tab, which is usually located in the left-hand menu. This section is your go-to resource for all sorts of financial reports. By familiarizing yourself with this area, you'll gain valuable insights into the financial health of your business. Inside the Reports section, you'll find what is known as the Standard tab. Click on it. This is where QuickBooks compiles a variety of pre-built reports that can help streamline your accounting processes significantly. Rendering your focus here can save you ample time when analyzing your financial data. Next, locate the section labeled For My Accountant. This part of QuickBooks is tailor-made for deeper financial insights, specifically reports that are vital for accountants. Placing emphasis on these reports ensures you will have everything you need for end-of-year financial reviews or when your accountant needs to audit transactions. Finally, within the For My Accountant section, look for the Journal option and click on it to view the journal entries. The journal report will give you a detailed list of all your business transactions, allowing you to review and verify entries with ease. Reviewing this periodically is a good practice for maintaining accurate financial records and catching any discrepancies early. And there you have it, a simple way to view your journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping a keen eye on your financial entries not only helps in maintaining transparency, but also assists in preparing your accounts for audits or tax season. As you become more comfortable with the platform, these steps will become second nature. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore more of our tutorials for mastering QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.